Essay on Lachit Borphukan. Lachit Borphukan, the legendary commander-in-chief of the Ahom army, is one of the greatest heroes in Indian history. Born in 1622 into a family of military leaders in the Ahom kingdom, which is present-day Assam in northeastern India, Lachit Borphukan played a crucial role in defending his kingdom against the Mughal Empire during the late 17th century. His leadership and strategic planning in the Battle of Saraighat in 1671 are legendary, as he led the Ahom army to a decisive victory over the Mughals despite being outnumbered and outgunned. In this essay, we will explore the life and legacy of Lachit Borphukan in detail. Early life and career. Lachit Borphukan was born on 24 November 1622 at Charaideo in Assam. He was the youngest son of Mumai Tamoli Borborua, a prominent military leader in the Ahom kingdom. He was the first Borborua of Upper Assam and commander-in-chief of the Ahom army during the reign of King Pratap Singha. Lachit Borphukan joined the Ahom army at the age of 17 and quickly rose through the ranks due to his courage and leadership skills. Lachit Borphukan inherited his love for the military from his father and was trained in warfare from a young age. His father's position provided him with many opportunities to learn and develop his skills. As a young man, Lachit participated in several military campaigns under the command of his father and other prominent generals. He gained a reputation as a skilled warrior and strategist, and his contributions to these campaigns earned him the respect and admiration of his fellow soldiers. In 1659, he was appointed as the commander of the Ahom Navy, and in 1662, he was appointed as the commander-in-chief of the Ahom army. Military campaigns. Lachit Borphukan's first major military campaign came in 1662 when the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb invaded Ahom kingdom under the leadership of Mir Jumla. The Mughals had a large and powerful army, while the Ahom army was smaller and less equipped. King Chakradhar Singha selected Lachit Borphukan to lead army in the campaign against the Mughal army. Lachit Borphukan was undeterred and led his army to repel the invasion. The Mughals were forced to retreat, and Lachit Borphukan became known as a brave and capable military leader. The Battle of Saraighat. The Battle of Saraighat is the most famous battle in Lachit Borphukan's career. The Mughal Empire, under the leadership of Raja Ram Singh, launched another invasion of the Ahom kingdom. The Battle of Saraighat was a decisive military engagement fought between the Ahom kingdom of Assam and the Mughal Empire on the Brahmaputra River in 1671. The Ahom army, led by their commander-in-chief Lachit Borphukan, faced off against a large Mughal force. The Mughals had a powerful army and a fleet of boats, while the Ahom army was smaller and less equipped. However, Lachit Borphukan was undeterred and led his army to the Battle of Saraighat. Lachit Borphukan had been preparing for this moment for several years. Having foreseen the Mughal threat and taken steps to strengthen the Ahom army, he had trained his troops rigorously and had developed new tactics and strategies that would prove crucial in the upcoming battle. The Mughals had brought with them a large number of war elephants, which they hoped would help them to cross the river and overwhelm the Ahom defenses. However, Lachit Borphukan had anticipated this move and had instructed his troops to use a secret weapon, a poisonous concoction made from the juice of a local plant called pan. When the elephants charged towards the Ahom lines, the soldiers hurled the pan mixture at them, causing them to panic and turn back towards the Mughal side. This proved to be a major setback for the Mughals, who had been counting on the elephants to break through the Ahom defenses. The battle was intense, and the Ahom army was initially pushed back by the Mughals. At one point, Lachit Borphukan was wounded by an arrow, but refused to leave the battle, saying that he would only do so once Assam was safe from the Mughal threat. However, Lachit Borphukan rallied his troops and led them to a decisive victory against the Mughals. The Battle of Saraighat was a major turning point in the history of Assam, as it marked the end of the Mughal threat to the region. It was also a testament to the bravery and skills of Lachit Borphukan and his soldiers, who had stood up to a much larger and better equipped enemy and emerged victorious through sheer determination and courage. Lachit Borphukan's leadership and strategic planning in the battle are legendary, and he is celebrated as a hero in Assam to this day, and the Battle of Saraighat remains one of the most celebrated military victories in Indian history. Lachit Borphukan passed away on April 25, 1672, just months after his heroic victory at the Battle of Saraighat. He was only 50 years old at the time of his death. Legacy. Lachit Borphukan's legacy is not just about his military victories, but also about his leadership and dedication to his people. He was a man of great integrity who always put his kingdom and his people first. He was known for his humility and his commitment to justice. He was a patron of the arts and culture, and he promoted the development of literature and music in the Ahom kingdom. Lachit Borphukan's contributions to Indian history have not gone unnoticed. He is remembered as a symbol of resistance against foreign invasions and celebrated every year in Assam. Remembering the bravery and patriotism of Lachit Borphukan, a book named Lachit Borphukan, Assam's hero who halted the Mughals, was released on closing ceremony of the year-long celebrations of the 400th birth anniversary of Lachit Borphukan. Conclusion. Lachit Borphukan is a legendary hero of the Ahom kingdom, whose bravery and leadership skills led to the defeat of the Mughal army in the Battle of Saraighat. His legacy continues to inspire people in Assam and other parts of India, and he is remembered as a symbol of courage and patriotism. The Lachit Borphukan Award is presented every year by the government of Assam to honor individuals who have made significant contributions in the fields of art, culture, and sports. The statue of Lachit Borphukan on the banks of the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati serves as a reminder of his courage and valor. Lachit Borphukan's life and achievements remind us of the importance of courage, determination, and leadership in the face of adversity.